How to make money with a blog in 2025. I just helped my friend turn his blog into a $15,000 a month side income. And here's the crazy part. It took him less than 12 months to hit that number. But before you think this is some get-rich-quick fantasy, let me be straight with you. Most people who start blogs quit within 90 days because they're doing it wrong. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to actually make money blogging in 2025. The 3 income streams that actually work, how much you can realistically earn, and the specific platforms and strategies that separate people making real money from people making absolutely nothing. Let's go. Part 1. The 3 income streams that actually work. Most people think blogging is just about Google AdSense checks. Those checks are real, but they're usually pathetic. I'm talking maybe $100 to $500 a month if you get serious traffic. That's not where the real money lives. The first real income stream is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products. People click your link, they buy, and you get a commission. Amazon Associates pays somewhere between 3 and 10% depending on the category. But here's where it gets interesting. Financial products pay way more. If you're writing about investing apps like Fidelity or Robinhood, those affiliate commissions can hit $20 to $50 per sign up. My friend wrote one article about opening a Roth IRA, got it ranking on Google for a decent keyword, and made $3,000 in commissions in a single month from people clicking his affiliate link and opening accounts. The second stream is digital products. This means creating something once and selling it unlimited times. An online course about starting a blog, a PDF template for financial planning, a spreadsheet template for tracking investments. These have zero marginal cost. You create it one time, and every single sale is almost pure profit. People are making $5,000 to $20,000 a month selling digital products to people who want to solve specific problems. The third stream is ad networks. Once your blog gets real traffic, we're talking 10,000 to 50,000 monthly visitors, companies will literally pay to advertise on your site. Mediavine and AdThrive are the big players here. They pay based on page views. At 1,000 page views, you might make $3 to $10. Sounds small until you're getting 50,000 page views a month. That's suddenly $500 to $5,000 monthly. And you barely did anything beyond writing good content. Part 2. The realistic income timeline. Here's what most people don't want to hear. The first 3 months, you'll make almost nothing. Zero. Your blog will get basically no traffic because you have no authority and no backlinks. This is why most people quit. They think they're failing when they're actually exactly on schedule. Months 4 through 6, you'll start seeing traction. If you're publishing high quality, keyword researched content twice a week, Google starts noticing. You might make $50 to $300 during this phase from a combination of affiliate links and ad networks. Months 7 through 9, you hit the acceleration point. You've got enough content that Google actually sees you as an authority on your niche. You're ranking for medium difficulty keywords. You could be looking at $500 to $2,000 monthly. This is the critical point because most people are finally making enough money that it feels real. Months 10 through 12, you're compounding everything. You've got a library of content. You understand what your audience actually wants. And you're optimizing for higher paying affiliate programs. This is when people hit that 4-figure mark. $3,000 to $15,000 monthly is absolutely realistic if you chose your niche right and stuck with it. Part 3. The niche selection that actually makes money. Your niche matters more than anything else. Don't blog about your random thoughts. That's a diary, not a business. Blog about something where people are actively searching for solutions and willing to spend money. Personal finance niches absolutely dominate because of affiliate commissions. Blog about Roth IRAs, 401k optimization. Best high-yield savings accounts. Opening a Robinhood account as a beginner. These topics convert like crazy because people are literally searching while they're actively trying to make financial decisions. Choose a niche where you can actually compete. Don't try to outrank major financial institutions about how to invest. Instead, write Roth IRA versus 401k for freelancers, or best banks for Gen Z, or how to start investing with only $100. Specific beats generic every single time. Closing. Building a blog into $15,000 monthly takes work, consistency, and knowing exactly what you're doing. But it's entirely possible in 2025, and the barrier to entry is basically zero. You need a domain, maybe $50 a year, basic hosting, and discipline. If you're serious about this, hit that subscribe button. We're dropping a complete niche selection framework next week that shows you exactly how to identify profitable niches before you waste months writing content nobody wants to read. You've got this. Let's go make it happen.